Hey, you know when I have my microphone, I'm ready to hit you with some money makers. If you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash without leaving your house, then this video is for you. Because I'm going to tell you how to make money from ebooks that you didn't even write. And that's with PLR ebooks. And not only that, I'm also going to tell you how to get these PLR ebooks for free and sell them on Amazon. And we're going to use ChatGPT to help us out. So if you're ready to start making some serious dough, I suggest you get ready to take notes and let's get this money. Now, there are some of you that know what PLR books are, but there are some of you that don't. PLR stands for private label rights, and these are ebooks and other products. They even have videos and articles and things that you can buy, and you're buying the rights to sell these things and publish them as if they are your own. It literally gives you the opportunity to be an author without writing, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. Now hold on, there's a huge misconception that
it's copyright infringement. You're not allowed to do this.
Au contraire, the author of these ebooks has given you the rights to sell those ebooks as if they're your own. Most times you can change the cover, you can change the interior. It depends on what the contract says, but most of the time you have free reign to pretty much do what you want with it and say that you wrote this ebook. And the best part is you can find these PLR ebooks so cheap. I mean, like $5 and less a lot of times. Oh, but we're cheap over here. So we're going to talk about how to get these PLR ebooks for free. Let me show you how to get these free PLR ebooks. Here it is. PLR.me is the website, and they have not only PLR ebooks, but they also have coaching courses, articles, products, worksheets, and other content. So once you create a free account, they will give you 10 points to use in order to get these products. So let's find ourselves an ebook for under 10 points. So you would go to products, ebooks, boom. Now we don't want to waste our time and start looking at products that are above what we have because we have 10 points to work with. So what you can do is change this little bar on the side, bring it down to 10 if you're willing to spend up to 10 credits or however many credits you're willing to spend up to. Let's scroll through and see what kind of things they have. So I see fun winter activities for kids 2 to 12. That's a nice little ebook, especially if you have family-oriented content. Dating, if you want to have that type of content. Online dating made simple. And look, they have 6 pages worth of these ebooks, which means you're bound to find an ebook within your niche. So now we want our ebooks to sell, right? So you need to make your book more eye-catching. So we're going to recruit our friend ChatGPT to help us out with that. Now we want our books to catch people's eyes. And one of the most important things is not only the design of the cover, but also what the title of your PLR book is going to be. Because even though you're buying this PLR book and it's going to already have a title, we want to rebrand it as if it's our own. So we don't want the exact same title as another ebook. So let's ask our friend ChatGPT, what types of titles would be good if I was going to sell an affiliate marketing PLR book? Give me some witty title ideas. Let's work. See, look how easy that is. So it just gave me 10 ideas in just a few seconds. Affiliate marketing made easy, affiliate marketing, the secret sauce to making money online. These are great titles. So now our titles can stand out above the competition. Okay, so we have a catchy title, but what about the cover of that ebook? Let's check it out. If you want a free and easy option to design your own ebook cover, come over to Canva. I'm going to link them down below, but literally all you have to do is type in ebook cover and look at all of these options. In here, you can choose a template that's similar to what you want to make. Just for example, I'll choose this. You can customize it. Here you can change all of the images and whatever you want to change. I'm going to take her out and let's say I want an image of holding money. Boom. I can throw any of these in. And what I love about BookBalt is, you see this, girl? Watch what I can do with this. I'm going to put her in the corner and I'm going to edit this image. Remove the background. We're going to apply that. We're actually going to move her. Yep, there she goes. She's to the back.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
Within 2 minutes, I was able to make this. So this is just an idea. I would do way more to this and change the fonts and all of that if I was going to really use this. But yeah, this is just an idea of what you can do on Canva. And Canva is free, but they also have a pro version, which I do suggest because you will have unlimited photos, videos, and all of the features that you could possibly use, including their AI feature, which is similar to ChatGPT. So you can check out my link down below if you're interested in Canva. Now, it's important to note that your PLR book will come in a PDF version. So a lot of people find it difficult to edit a PDF because PDFs aren't typically editable unless you do some extra things. So if you're interested in knowing how to do that and actually change that PDF, then check out this video. I walk you through it there. Okay, so we have our book title, we have our book cover, but we still have yet to sell our book on Amazon. So let me tell you my little secret to make sure I get people buying my books on Amazon. We're going to have to do some research to find out what other people are doing to sell their ebooks on Amazon. So I came over to Amazon, put in affiliate marketing ebook, and I want to check out the competition. So you can do this manually and you can go through, check out the reviews, see if they have high numbers of reviews. That will give you an idea that those books are selling. And also check out the covers so you can get an idea of what types of cover would make sense to design, because if it's working for one person, it may work for you. Don't copy their design though. Like I said, you can do this manually, but I don't have time for that. So what I do is I use BookBalt in order to do my research for my ebooks. I've talked about BookBalt a lot on this channel. So anytime you're working with ebooks, I suggest that you do get BookBalt. And like it says right here, you can get a free 3-day trial. Use my link down below. So we're not even going to put out any money, but let me show you why you want to use BookBalt. So BookBalt makes it really, really easy to spy on your competition, figure out what keywords they're using so that you can outsell their books. They have a browser extension called KDP Spy, and using this browser extension, you can go on Amazon and it will give you the stats of the books that are selling over there. But I like to use the BookBalt platform directly because there's so much more I can do on the actual platform. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to research some keywords to figure out what keywords will work for my book. Affiliate marketing, that fast. I have all of this information, the most frequent keywords that are used to sell ebooks on Amazon. One important thing to look for is the Amazon search volume. This is how many people per month are searching for these particular terms, and BookBalt makes it really easy to filter from low to high or high to low. That's where we want to go. But not only do you need to pay attention to the keywords, but one important thing is the competition. So the lower the competition, the better. So this is medium competition. This is a high search volume keyword. So this is something that I would use in case you're wondering what else BookBalt has to offer. They also make the low content books really, really easy. They have templates on here where you can create books under 30 minutes. I do have a video on that, so you would have to watch that video to find out how to do that. If you like PLR books, you will love the low content books. And if you are interested in BookBalt, use my code Nikki20, use my link below, and you will get 3 days free plus 20% off for life if you sign up. Once you're ready to post your ebook, make sure you come on over to Amazon KDP. It's linked down below, and it's a free platform owned by Amazon. where you can upload your ebook and it will sell on Amazon. Once you create a free account, you will go into create and then you can upload your book. And then you would come over here, choose your book type. So if we're going to do an ebook, that's what we would click. And then this information is pretty straightforward. Fill in the title, subtitle, all that information. And if you used BookVault, like I told you to do, you will be able to add keywords and things down here. But once you do submit your book, it typically takes Amazon a couple days to approve it, but then it will be posted on Amazon and you'll be good to go. Now, make sure you do everything that I showed you so that you can blow up your profits. If you made it this far in the video, I want to be able to shout you out. So do me a favor and drop a book emoji down in the comments. And also, if you like this type of content that I just shared with you, you have to let me and the algorithm know that you like it by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. But before you go, I have to let you know that if you are going to create a PLR ebook, there is a huge mistake that some people that are selling PLR ebooks on Amazon are doing, and it's getting them banned from Amazon as a seller. So if you want to know what it is and how to avoid it, make sure you watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it